Hi, John. How are you today?
Hi, Anna. I'm good. Thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. The weather is so nice today.
Yes, it is. I love sunny days. What did you do this morning?
I went to the market to buy some fruits and vegetables. What about you?
I went for a jog in the park. It was very refreshing.
That sounds nice. Do you jog every day?
I try to. It helps me stay fit and healthy. Do you exercise?
Yes, I like to do yoga. It helps me relax.
That's great. Maybe I should try yoga sometime.
You should. It's very good for your body and mind.
Do you come to this park often?
Yes, I come here every weekend. I like to walk and enjoy the nature.
Me too. It's a good way to spend the weekend. Do you have any plans for later?
I'm going to visit my grandmother. She lives nearby.
That's nice. I'm gonna meet some friends for lunch. Do you want to join us?
I would love to, but I already promised my grandmother I would visit her. Maybe next time?
Of course, next time. What do you usually do with your grandmother?
We like to cook together. She teaches me her special recipes.
That sounds fun. What is your favorite dish that she makes?
I love her apple pie. It's the best.
I would love to try it someday.
I will bring some for you next time we meet.
Thank you, Anna. I look forward to it.
You're welcome, John. So, what do you do in your free time?
I like to read books and watch movies. How about you?
I enjoy reading too. What kind of books do you like?
I like adventure and mystery books. What about you?
I like romance and fantasy books. Do you have a favorite author?
Yes, I like J.K. Rowling. Her Harry Potter series is amazing.
I love Harry Potter too. It's one of my favorites.
Have you read all the books?
Yes, I have. And I've seen all the movies too.
Me too. They are so good. Do you have a favorite character?
I like Hermione. She is smart and brave.
I like Harry. He is very courageous.
Yes, he is. Do you have any other hobbies?
I also like to play guitar. Do you play any instruments?
I play the piano. We should play together sometime.
That would be fun. Maybe we can play some songs from Harry Potter.
Yes, that would be great. Do you know how to play any Harry Potter songs?
I know a few. I can teach you if you want.
I would love that. Thank you, John.
You're welcome, Anna. So, what's your favorite movie?
I love The Lion King. It's such a beautiful story.
That's a great movie. I like The Lord of the Rings.
That's a good one too. Do you watch a lot of movies?
Yes, I watch movies every weekend. Do you watch movies often?
I try to watch a movie every week. It's a good way to relax.
Yes, it is. Do you go to the cinema or watch at home?
I usually watch at home. It's more comfortable. How about you?
I like going to the cinema. The big screen and sound are amazing.
Yes, that's true. I go to the cinema sometimes too.
What was the last movie you saw in the cinema?
I saw Frozen 2. It was really good.
I saw that too. The songs are so catchy.
Yes, I love the songs. Do you have a favorite song from the movie?
I like Into the Unknown. What about you?
I like Show Yourself. It's very powerful.
Yes, it is. Do you like to sing?
I love singing. Do you?
Yes, I do. Maybe we can sing together sometime.
That would be fun. We can sing songs from Frozen too.
Yes, let's do that. So, do you like animals?
I love animals. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max. Do you have any pets?
I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
That's a nice name. How old is Luna?
She is 3 years old. How old is Max?
He is 5 years old. They should meet sometime.
Yes, that would be nice. Maybe they will become friends.
I hope so. Max is very friendly.
Luna is friendly too. She loves meeting new people and animals.
That's great. Do you take Luna for walks?
Yes, sometimes. But she likes to stay indoors most of the time.
Max loves going for walks. I take him to the park every day.
That's nice. Maybe we can go for a walk together with Max and Luna.
Yes, let's do that. It will be fun.
I agree. So, do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling. Do you?
I love traveling too. Where have you been?
I've been to many places. My favorite is Japan. How about you?
I've been to France. It's very beautiful.
I want to visit France someday. What did you like about it?
I loved the food and the architecture. Paris is amazing.
I've heard Paris is beautiful. Did you see the Eiffel Tower?
Yes, I did. It's very impressive.
I can't wait to see it someday. Where else have you been?
I've also been to Italy and Spain. They are both wonderful.
I want to visit Italy too. I love Italian food.
Italian food is delicious. I had the best pizza in Italy.
I love pizza. Did you try pasta too?
Yes, I did. The pasta in Italy is amazing.
I need to go there and try it. What about Spain? How was it?
Spain is beautiful too. I loved the beaches and the culture.
I want to visit Spain as well. Did you learn any Spanish?
A little bit. I can say some basic phrases.
That's cool. Maybe you can teach me some Spanish.
Sure, I can teach you some basic words and phrases.
That would be great. Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome, John. Do you speak any other languages?
I speak a little bit of French. I learned it in school.
That's nice. Can you say something in French?
Sure. Bonjour, comment ça va? It means hello. How are you?
That's good. I know a little bit of French too.
That's great. Maybe we can practice together.
Yes, let's do that. It will be fun.
I agree. So, do you have any plans for the summer?
I'm planning to go to the beach. What about you?
I'm planning to visit my family. They live in another city.
That sounds nice. Do you visit them often?
I try to visit them every few months. What about you?
I visit my family every month. They live nearby.
That's nice. It's good to spend time with family.
Yes, it is. Family is very important.
I agree. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have a brother. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a sister. She is younger than me.
My brother is younger than me too. How old is your sister?
She is 18 years old. How old is your brother?
He is 20 years old. Do you get along with your sister?
Yes, we get along very well. Do you get along with your brother?
Yes, we do. We are very close.
That's nice. It's good to have a close relationship with your siblings.
Yes, it is. Do you do any activities together?
Yes, we like to play video games and watch movies together. How about you?
My brother and I like to play sports together. We play basketball.
That's fun. Do you play often?
Yes, we play every weekend. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sports. I like to play soccer.
Soccer is fun. Do you play in a team?
Yes, I play in a local team. We have matches every week.
That's great. Maybe I can come and watch your match sometime.
I would love that. I'll let you know when our next match is.
Thank you, John. I look forward to it.
You're welcome, Anna. So, what else do you like to do in your free time?
I like to paint and draw. It's very relaxing. Do you like art?
Yes, I like art. I enjoy visiting art museums.
Me too. Do you have a favorite artist?
I like Vincent van Gogh. His paintings are amazing. What about you?
I like Claude Monet. His work is very beautiful.
Yes, Monet's paintings are wonderful. Have you been to any art museums recently?
Yes, I went to an art museum last month. It was very interesting.
That's nice. I should visit an art museum soon.
Yes, you should. It's a great way to spend a day.
I agree. Maybe we can go together sometime.
That would be fun. Let's plan a day to go.
Yes, let's do that. So, what are your favorite colors?
I love blue and green. What about you?
I like red and yellow. They are very bright and cheerful.
Yes, they are. Do you have a favorite season?
I love summer. The weather is warm and sunny. What about you?
I like spring. The flowers bloom and everything looks beautiful.
Yes, spring is lovely. Do you like gardening?
Yes, I love gardening. I have a small garden at home.
That's nice. What do you grow in your garden?
I grow flowers and some vegetables. Do you like gardening?
Yes, I do. I help my mom with her garden.
That's great. Gardening is a wonderful hobby.
Yes, it is. It's very relaxing and rewarding.
I agree. So, do you cook often?
Yes, I like to cook. Do you?
Yes, I enjoy cooking. What's your favorite dish to cook?
I love making pasta. What about you?
I like to bake cakes and cookies.
That's nice. Maybe you can teach me how to bake sometime.
I would love to. Baking is fun and delicious.
Yes, it is. Do you have a favorite cake?
I love chocolate cake. It's my favorite. What about you?
I like cheesecake. It's so creamy and delicious.
Cheesecake is great too. Do you like to try new recipes?
Yes, I love trying new recipes. It's exciting to cook new dishes.
I feel the same way. Cooking is a great way to be creative.
Yes, it is. Do you watch cooking shows?
Yes, I watch them sometimes. Do you?
Yes, I do. They give me new ideas for recipes.
Me too. Do you have a favorite cooking show?
I like MasterChef. It's very inspiring.
I like that show too. The contestants are very talented.
Yes, they are. Do you think you could be on a cooking show?
Maybe someday. It would be fun to try.
Yes, it would be. I would love to see you on a cooking show.
Thank you, John. That means a lot.
You're welcome, Anna. So, do you have any other hobbies?
I also like to write. Do you like writing?
Yes, I do. I like to write stories and poems.
That's nice. What do you usually write about?
I write about different things. Sometimes I write about my experiences, and sometimes I create fictional stories. What about you?
I like to write about my travels and experiences. It helps me remember the good times.
That's wonderful. Do you keep a journal?
Yes, I do. I write in it every day. Do you?
Yes, I keep a journal too. It's a good way to reflect on your day.
I agree. Writing is very therapeutic.
Yes, it is. Do you like to read what you've written later on?
Yes, I do. It's interesting to see how my thoughts have changed over time.
I feel the same way. It's like a journey through your mind.
Exactly. Do you have a favorite poem or story that you've written?
I have a few favorites. One of my favorite poems is about nature. What about you?
I have a favorite story I wrote about my trip to Paris. It brings back many memories.
That's nice. Maybe you can share it with me sometime.
I would love to. And I would like to read your poem too.
I would be happy to share it with you.
Thank you, John. I'm looking forward to it.
You're welcome, Anna. So, do you like to draw or paint?
Yes, I enjoy both. Drawing helps me express my creativity.
That's great. What do you usually draw?
I like to draw nature scenes and animals. How about you?
I like to draw landscapes and buildings. It's very calming.
That's nice. Maybe we can have an art session together sometime.
That would be fun. We can draw and paint together.
Yes, let's do that. It will be a creative day.
I agree. Do you have any other hobbies?
I also enjoy photography. Do you like taking pictures?
Yes, I do. Photography is a great way to capture memories.
Yes, it is. What do you like to photograph?
I like to take pictures of nature and cityscapes. How about you?
I like to photograph people and moments. It tells a story.
That's wonderful. Do you have a favorite photo you've taken?
Yes, I have a favorite photo of a sunset I took last summer. It's very beautiful.
That sounds amazing. I would love to see it.
I'll show it to you next time we meet.
Thank you, Anna. I'm looking forward to it.
You're welcome, John. Do you like to travel and take photos?
Yes, I do. It's a great way to remember the places I've been.
I agree. Traveling and photography go hand in hand.
Yes, they do. Do you have a favorite place you've visited?
I loved visiting the mountains. The scenery was breathtaking.
That sounds wonderful. I love the mountains too.
Maybe we can plan a trip to the mountains together.
That would be amazing. Let's plan it.
Yes, let's do that. It will be an adventure.
I agree. So, what are your plans for the rest of the day?
I'm going to finish some work and then relax. How about you?
I'm gonna meet my friends for lunch and then maybe watch a movie.
That sounds nice. Enjoy your day, John.
Thank you, Anna. You too. See you soon.
See you soon, John. Bye.
Bye, Anna.